Hey girl, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to go from this nasty mess to a beautiful soft glam look, 0 to 100 gorgeousness in today's video. And if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe and keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by laying down my wig. Yes, my hair is very frizzy, and no, I don't always want to take care of it. Then I'm going to plump up my lips with my little lip plumper. Forgot what this is called. Lay down my wig. I'm not the best at it, that's why I didn't show it in detail, but you know, I wanted to show it because this is what I do. Okay, I'm gonna brush it out, make it look kind of nice, but we're still gonna brush it out later because I'm gonna put my headband on and look like an elf in like 3, 2, there we go. So I'm gonna be taking my Smashbox Photo Finish primer and applying this all over my face. This really does minimize my pores and fill them in, and it just goes on so smooth. I love it. That I'm going to I feel like I should be applying this to my neck because I apply foundation on my neck, so I'm doing it. Then I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way foundation. I absolutely love this because it really does hydrate my skin. I find ways to manipulate it so it doesn't come out too greasy or dewy on my skin. I just apply powder, but today I didn't. But you know, I just go excessively heavy on the powder if it's a little oily. You know what I'm saying? But today I was feeling it, so not too much powder. All right. And I'm going to bring that down to my neck like I said. Next, I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Concealer. I absolutely love this concealer and it's affordable, it's amazing, it's great, it's awesome. I'm going to apply some on my under eyes, all over my chin, in the center of my chin. I don't want to, you know. And I'm going to be applying this on my nose to highlight the areas where I want my face to appear smaller. Does that make any sense? I'm just trying to make my face look smaller, more chiseled, highlighted, like I'm awake. Then I'm just going to take my Beauty Blender and blend this all out. I'm taking my Benefit Boing Concealer only on the under eye circles, not even all over it because a little goes a long way with this, but I'm going to intensify the highlight on my under eye and just bring everything together. I'm just really going for that soft glam Kylie Jenner look today, and I really do think I did a great job at the end. You'll see. Next, I'm taking my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I love this for contouring my face. I have been struggling to find a great contour color, and this is amazing. It does so well. I struggle with my cheeks still. I need to learn how to do my cheeks a little bit better. I think I need to go with the cooler tone for my cheeks. But this really just it does so many good things for my face. It looks awesome. I love it. Yeah, I don't know what else I can say about it, but yeah, I'm going to contour my face with this. I'm taking my Laura Mercier setting powder. I just bought this because this shit is amazing, and I'm going to be baking and setting my face. I took this on my under eyes and also on my cheek, or it's jawline, I guess you'd say, like your little beard area. I don't have a beard, but you know, put it on my smile lines. I don't have them because I don't smile like ever. I don't laugh, I guess, because I'm a demon on the inside. And I applied that on my forehead, my chin, you know, the nines. I'm taking my Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. I actually just started using this because they sent this to me in PR. Oh my gosh, I never thought I'd like a pencil like that, but it is the shit, dude. Like, when you're in a rush, the bigger pencil literally like makes you do your brows in less time. Like, it takes less time to do your brows. So I've never considered even buying like the Anastasia not the Brow Wiz, but the other one, the Brow Definer, because I just thought like, oh, it's not gonna give me preciseness. But girl, when you're in a rush and you need to do like 5-minute makeup, this is the shit, okay? So anyway, that was my rant. I'm going to be cleaning up my eyebrows with some concealer. Next, I'm going to wipe off the bake. Sometimes when I'm doing my eyeshadow, I like to leave it on so I can catch the fallout with it. But I'm going to be priming my eyes with my concealer and blending that out with my Beauty Blender. Then I'm taking my Carli Bybel palette. I'm finally showing this. I've had this for almost a month, you guys, and I wanted to do a review, and I just haven't done it. So I'm taking the shade Chai and applying that on the outer corner. Then I'm also going to be taking Boy. I think it's called Boy. I honestly did not watch her video, so I don't know how she pronounced the shade names, but this palette's really gorgeous. So I'm taking Boy and applying that in the outer corner. Then I'm going to go on the lid with some of Bare. Then I'm going to take, I'm probably mispronouncing this, but this is how I pronounce it, boli, because us Hispanics, we eat bolis, and bolis are the shit. If you've never had one, if you don't know what that is, it's amazing. Anyway, I'm taking boli and putting that in my inner corner. Then I'm going to take some of my LA Girl gel liner in brown. I think it's brown or darkest. It's brown. I can't read the label. It's super dark. Honestly, the packaging was like a fail on their part. Anyway, I'm applying that on my lid because I don't have a liquid brown liner, and I'm bringing in the inner corner to really open up my eyes. And here I'm showing you the difference between the two. It looks bomb, okay? Then I'm replicating that same thing I just did on my right eye to my left, winging it out. Next, I'm taking my Kiss Lash Couture lashes in Jubilee. I'm applying lash glue. I didn't show you guys that, but I went ahead and applied that so they can get tacky, and curled my lashes as well as applied some mascara. The mascara I used was L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. It is actually dried up. I probably shouldn't have used it. I'm super glad I haven't gotten a sty from it, but it is super old and I need to buy a new one. So there's that. Then I'm taking my lashes and applying them. Dude, I had so much trouble applying my lashes with my nails. Couldn't do it, so I had to use tweezers. Next, I'm taking my Hoola bronzer. And girl, I want to get the limited edition giant one because this is the shit. Like, look, it just warms my face up so well. I was scared with purchasing it because I was scared of the shade and my skin tone. It wouldn't work, but it does. So I want to buy the big one because, girl, I'm just addicted to makeup. Make sure to get this on your chin. You want to look snatched. Not only do you want to look soft and glammy, you want to look snatched. I also threw that on my nose to kind of contour a little bit more, but I'm terrible at contouring my nose, so bear with me. Then I'm going to clean that up with some powder. Next, I'm taking my Anastasia blush trio. I want to say this is in Pink Passion. I'll have everything down below. That's why I haven't really said a lot of names, but anyway. Yeah, I'm applying that on my cheeks. Then I know this is a blush. This is Gold Rush from Benefit. And girl, I applied this as a highlighter. I was like, this looks goldy. Like, it looks beautiful. Let me apply it as a highlighter. Oh my gosh, this gives you like the best like glow from within glow. Like, not like stellar. I'm pretty sure I can build it up to like a stellar highlight, but like, girl. And then I sniffed it right here. I was like, ooh, it smells amazing. It's awesome. For my lips, I took my Milani Natural Lip Liner and lined my lips. I tried to overline my lips, but I need to work on that a little bit more because I want those big juicy lips. Anyway, taking my NYX London Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is the shit, but I feel like it doesn't have a lot of product in it, which sucks, but it's only $4, you know? I'm applying that all over my lips, and then I'm just, overdoing it because like I said, I feel like it has very little product. And I'm finishing off this look with my Morphe Set and Prep Mist. I love this thing. But that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please be sure to leave a comment down below and also subscribe to join the K-Babe family. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.